Yo, what's up guys? This is Jared Teller. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a one-arm push-up. I decided to make this video because when I'm training at the gym, performing one-arm push-ups, people always coming up to me asking me, hey Jay, how do you do a one-arm push-up? It looks so cool but so hard. Well, I decided today I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Alright, so to start off, if you cannot do 40 push-ups in a row, this video is not for you, alright? You have to learn how to do at least 40 push-ups in a row. You have to be able to perform the push-ups perfectly before you can learn how to do a one-arm push-ups, alright? One-arm push-ups is not easy. So if you can't do 40 push-ups in a row, make sure you increase your push-up range before you try to do a one-arm push-up, right? So after you do 40 push-ups in a row, your first exercise that's going to help you to do a one-arm push-up that I always did is called the side-to-side push-ups, all right? So basically, to perform the side-to-side push-ups, all you need to do is get up in a push-up position like this, okay? Spread out your arms more, okay, just like this. And the goal here, starting with your left side, you want to lean to your left side, all right? And then come up, and then lean to your right side. Right? Now, the reason why this exercise is so beneficial to start doing a one-arm push-up is because when you lean to the left side and you have your right arm extended out, this right arm is supporting less of your weight while the left arm here is supporting more of your weight. So it mimics the one-arm push-up, right? As you start to progress, you could extend your right arm even further, all right? So this will take less of your body weight while the left arm would take more of your body weight, and vice versa, okay? So practice that exercise. I suggest that you do it at least 10 reps for 4 sets, all right? All right, so when the side-to-side push-ups get easy for you, what you could do, all right, to make it harder is to grab an object. So what I have here is my pull-up bar. And what you want to do is try to do a one-arm push-up, all right? But place the arm that's not on the ground on the object, all right? So for example, starting with my left arm, okay? You want to place your left arm on the ground and then place your right arm on the object, all right? And the goal here is just to lower yourself just like this, all right? And then back up, okay? Lower, up, just like this, guys, okay? All right, so this is the only 2 exercises that I did, all right, to help me to perform a one-arm push-up, okay? Trust me, guys, performing a one-arm push-up is worth it. It will increase your strength. You will look bigger. You will start to gain muscle mass. It's just fantastic, all right? Also, keep in mind that this is not gonna happen overnight, all right? You have to practice performing the one-arm push-up at least like 3 to 4 times a week. Also, make sure that you're resting, all right? Because when you train this hard, you have to make sure that you rest, all right? So that your body could get used to the tough exercises that you're performing. So that when you wake back up, you will be able to perform those exercises because you rest and your muscles has adapted to the exercises. All right, guys, so make sure that you leave comments because I'm always reading your comments, all right? Make sure you follow me on IG, which is Jared Teller. Make sure you follow me on my channel, all right? Because I'm going to be posting some incredible content that's going to help you out, all right? So I'll see you on the next video. Peace.